Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. It's been a while we haven't spoken much about the progress made on the Russian AK-203 assault rifles deal. As per the recent update from defense sources, it looks like the discussion regarding the cost negotiation, the transfer of technology, and other manufacturing related decisions has been finalized and an order is soon expected. It was agreed that these rifles would be manufactured in the Amity Rifles factory, which was inaugurated in March 2019. This production is a joint venture between India and Russia's Kalashnikov, and the recent restructuring of Ordnance Factory Board is not going to have any impact on this production. It is also said that the guns manufactured are not just for India's armed forces, but these guns would also be exported to other countries. The plan is to manufacture almost 7 lakh assault rifles for the Indian armed forces, and pricing fixed for each unit is 70,000. According to the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, the Indian AK-203 is chambered for 7.62 into 39 mm cartridge. The assault rifle has a firing range of 800 meter and weighs around 3.8 kg without accessories. The Indian AK-203 features a firing rate of 700 rounds per minute and a muzzle velocity of 715 meters per second. These AK-203 rifles, as intended for Indian armed forces, feature some differences compared to the basic Russian assault rifle. The AK-203 variant of India will have a folding buttstock like that integrated with AK-74M or AK-103 firearms. These assault rifles will retain its distinctive slotted muzzle brake, and a cleaning rod will also be mounted under the weapon's barrel just like AK-74M and AK-103 fashion. In order to fight terrorism and for carrying out major operations in Jammu and Kashmir, the Indian Army is taking all possible steps to induct various guns and weapons to counter any threats near the border. These guns, once manufactured, will help Indian Army in all combat situations. The Russian AK-203, along with the United States SIGs or SIG-716 assault rifles, would be a major boost for Indian Army in order to deal with both Pakistan and China. Let's expect there is no further delay in manufacturing these guns and everything goes as per the plan. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.